Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm just going to show you a quick easy way to clean your battery terminals. A lot of the times the positives will get some corrosion on them. Sometimes the negative part will get corrosion on it as well. So I'm going to show you a simple way to just disconnect the battery and then clean your battery. So this you can get at any auto parts store. It's got teeth on the inside here, so the terminal goes on there and it just scrapes all the gunk off. Then you can also open this up, and then this end, mine's a little old as you can see, but you can use this to clean the inside of the actual terminal contact points. So with my my 03 Cobra here, I just need an 8mm socket here to undo the negative terminal. So we're just going to get it loose, just shake it back and forth, lift it off, and as you can see, it's not too bad. But we'll go ahead and disconnect the positive side now. And that's going to be another 8mm. So a lot of the times, some of the cars will have these protective covers over them. So you just want to lift the positive off and then take the little plastic retainer off. You see, it's all just really badly corroded. So what you can do is you can take some baking soda and water and clean it up, or you can just clean it by hand like I'm doing here, because I'm going to use my tool to really clean it up. I'm going to clean this terminal off as much as possible, but I'm just going to wipe it so it's out of the way. And then we're going to take our tool, which this is so nice. All you have to do is just stick it on the top here, and then you're just going to twist it around, lift it off. As you can see, it kind of scuffs the edge up real nice, so you can really get a good contact with the cable. So we'll do that a little bit, and we'll do it on the negative as well. You can switch directions too if you want. Yeah, so like I said, you can use baking soda, water. Some people use soda, Coke, whatever. It's really caked on. Now what we're going to do, we're going to pull the cap off the top here. We're just going to scrape on the inside here. I'm just going to go around it like this. Make sure this is nice and fresh and clean here. So, and it does help if you do wet it down a little bit. That way all the dust particles don't go anywhere. But what they look like now. So as you can see, it's nice and they look nice and fresh. Little plastic cover. Put that back on. Put it on there. And you don't have to go super tight with these, but tight enough where it's not gonna come off. We're just gonna click that on there. Then get our negative. Set that on there. And these weren't really bad, so if your terminals are really dirty, I would definitely get a toothbrush and some baking soda and some water, and clean it off as best you can, and that way you don't have all this dust flying around. So yeah, so that's just a simple, easy way to clean your battery. Sometimes if it's got too much corrosion on it, the terminals don't make good connection with the battery posts, and you can have some starting issues and all that kind of stuff. So definitely check that. But yeah, I just kind of wanted to make this simple tutorial video. A couple of my viewers are new to cars, so just kind of wanted to do a nice and simple, easy how to clean your battery. And if you were replacing your battery, just follow those same steps. Obviously you don't have to clean it, but just follow the same steps, and yeah, then you're good to go. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, a thumbs down. Definitely consider subscribing. That helps me out a lot, guys, and I will see you guys in the next video.